In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slide animation in Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that many creators use to make stunning visuals, and adding animations can really make your designs pop. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide to creating your very own slide animation using Canva. First, let's start by opening Canva. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the home page and look for the video option. Clicking on this will lead you to a selection of different video formats. Choose the format that best fits the project you're working on. Now, before we get started with adding images, let's set up a background for your slides. Choose a background color that complements the theme of your video. You can select any color you prefer from the available palette. This will act as the canvas for your animations. Once you have chosen your background color, it's time to add some elements. Click on Elements in the left-hand menu and search for an image that you would like to use as your first slide. Once you've found one you like, insert it into your Canva workspace. You might need to resize or reposition it according to your preference. After arranging your first image, head back to the Elements tab and look for another image to use. Insert the second image and rotate it as needed, ensuring it aligns well with the first. This is crucial for creating a cohesive visual flow when the animations play. Next, you need to group the images together. Select the first image, then hold down the Shift key and click on the second image. With both images selected, click Group to bind them together. This will make it easier to animate them as a single unit. With your images grouped, position them on the canvas as shown in your design plan. Now we're going to add some text. Click on the text option and select Add a Heading. Type in your desired title for this image. Make sure your text is clear and easy to read. You may want to change the font color to something that contrasts nicely with your background. Align the text with your images so that everything looks neat and professional. When you're satisfied, it's time to move on to the next slide. To create another slide, click on Add Page. Then click Highlight to continue the style from the first slide. Copy the edited images from your first page and paste them onto your new slide. You can rotate and reposition them to give a fresh look for this slide. Repeat the process of adding text by selecting Add Text, typing your title, and aligning it with the new image layout. You may also want to change the font color to keep the design dynamic. With both slides ready, it's time to add the transition. Click on Add Transition between two pages and choose the Match and Move animation. This will create a seamless flow between your slides. Finally, press play to preview your animated slide video and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're happy with the results, you're all set. You've successfully created a slide animation in Canva. This technique is a fantastic way to elevate your presentations or social media posts, and now you're ready to share your animated video with the world.